Take a look at this 2025 Ford Puma finished in frozen white. With only one owner and being a Ford direct car, this Euro 6 compliant 1-litre petrol hybrid is in excellent condition. Its impressive specification includes a power-opening panorama roof. This Puma Titanium is equipped with a comprehensive driver assistance pack featuring BLIS, adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera. The comfort pack adds the convenience of keyless entry and wireless phone charging. Inside you will also find a 12-inch touchscreen display with Ford Sync 4 navigation. Additional features include the winter pack, electronic automatic climate control and a quick clear heated windscreen. This Puma features a power tailgate, Ford Megabox extended boot space and a mini spare wheel. It comes with Ford roadside assistance and the balance of the Ford unlimited mileage warranty until July 2028. We offer free nationwide delivery and have competitive finance packages for ease of purchase. To find out more information, or to reserve this vehicle today, visit our website at www.pjnichols.com.